Note 20 Ultra 5G for AP.
Happy and you know it say AP. Happy and you know it say AP.
Do you guys see that truck?
Do you see that truck? Do you know what that truck means? Did you hear that noise? Did you guys hear that? I don't even have. J-Funk, do you know what time it is, son? Do you know what this means? Oh my goodness, son. It is time. Yeah, it is time. The body, it is time. So in lovers, it is time. Heartbeats, it is time for us to open something. Bring it back, J-Funk. What are we gonna open?
Something new.
We can't even see you. Come down here now. Hurry up. You got 5 seconds to get down here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's why he can play any sport he wants. Any sport he wants. J-Funk, what are we about to open? We gotta see your face. Let's see your face. What are we about
Something new.
Hey. Something new. It's time for something new with Ed P. 1 in a billion. All right.
What is that?
Go get
Are those camera lights?
go get the knife or something. Boom. Get something to open this. Get something to open this bad boy right here. And in the meantime, I'll be back. I gotta put this on the gimbal. Okay, we're back. J-Funk. J-Funk is a professional unboxer. I mean, he's been paid to unbox things. So now he's gonna unbox this for us, guys. By the way, subscribe to us. Subscribe to our channels, all of them. Open it up, J-Funk.
What is this?
Open it up.
It's fragile.
Hey, turn it straight if it's fragile. Hey, turn the box straight, man. Put the box flat. You did all that? What's that on the right side?
It's the new phone! Oh my gosh!
Turn it around. Let me see the front.
Note 20
It's the Ultra too.
Ultra 5G. Note 20 Ultra 5G for AP.
So you know what that means, right? If Daddy gets a new phone, then who else gets a new phone?
Me. And Mommy.
Well, Mommy got to order hers. I ordered mine.
Oh.
But it means who's on my plan?
Huh?
Who has a cell phone on my cell phone plan? You, silly. So that means whenever I get a new phone, guys, I don't buy J-Funk a new phone. I give him whatever phone I had before. Why do I do that instead of buying him one? J-Funk, go upstairs and go get your phone. You guys can see why I don't buy him the newest phone. You got to go faster. Come on, man. We taping. We live right now.
Show it. They only need to see.
Maybe it can earn some money back. Hurry up. Come on.
What?
He caught in his feelings. Meanwhile, my money is what's being spent over here. Over here. You caught in your feelings about what somebody gonna see. Meanwhile, you need to make some money back for what you did to this phone. Hurry up. So, wait, let them see. J-Funk has Black Panther as his screensaver, and I think maybe when Black Panther died, look what J-Funk did to his phone.
Be cool.
Let's see. I think he got angry and he tossed it or something. Look at the back of it.
The camera's broke.
Move your hand away so we can see it. We can't see it.
I was just cracking it.
So J-Funk destroys his phones.
No, I
So
don't.
because of that, I'm not going to just buy him a new phone. He's going to destroy it. So what happens is I get a new phone and then I let him destroy my old phones. So that's what's about to happen again. And I mean, what can you say? Get him a case. He just took it out of the case. So it doesn't matter. Case, no case, whatever is happening. But we about to open this new phone.
Yo.
The AP.
Yeah, you do it. It's your phone.
That's right. That's right. Nah, you fall back, G.
No.
Fall back, G.
Don't make it.
Oh, shoot! That's little fireworks.
They're like
The
little.
ones that even Josie would play with.
This is like Bruce Lee. Wah!
Oh man. I love my son. I love all of my sons.
Just kidding.
Alright guys.
But you do.
Smell it.
Oh. Oh, shoot.
Oh, shoot.
Oh wow. Look at that.
Oh!
Look at that, y'all. Do you see that? Look at that on the back. The way that the
Bite it.
the way that the camera goes. Watch out. You in the shot. Let's do the honors and turn this bad boy on.
Hey. Hey. Note 20.
No, not.
Ultra 5G. For you, it's gonna be Note not 20. Note cracked.
No, bald head.
Note rooster head.
Stop. Think of something. Think of something. We can keep going on and on. What's up? What's popping? Say something.
Big nose.
So what? You got my nose. What are you saying?
I got mommy's.
Guys, look at my nose.
It's not as big as yours. Yours is like 5 feet.
When you get older, it's gonna
Don't touch it.
be. Look at us. What is he talking about?
Ow!
I'll quit it. Okay, guys.
Turn it on.
Got this new phone.
If you drop it,
I'll be back. Let me do what I gotta do on this phone and I'll be back.
Lord. My gosh.
Okay, guys.
Go.
So here comes the moment.
Go.
The moment of truth. Okay? Moment of truth. Here is the moment of truth. I have not activated this phone yet. All I want to do is just see how it works. Hey. Yeah.
Hey.
First thing that's missing on this phone is my apps. I want to see the melaninbook.com app and the BlackTube app. That's what I want to see on here. If you look at my Note 10 and look at the apps. The very first app is the BlackTube. The second one is Melanin Book. So gotta see my apps on there. But the most important thing, the reason why AP 1 in a Billion and Dangerous D would keep getting all the latest phones, for one, I love technology, but two, the camera. I gotta see what the camera can do. That is what's most important.
Look who's awake.
His name is...
Look who's awake. Josiah.
Look at this, guys. We are looking at J-Funk.
You are?
Well, I guess we aren't now. You moved.
Oh.
Look at the camera. Video quality. Can you say upgrade? Can you say upgrade?
Upgrade.
Guys, this camera, what does it have? 108 megapixel camera? Like, that is on some next level. So I want to see how good my camera is and what I can do with my new phone.
Happy and you know it, say, hey,